the conundrum of the Labour Party factions right there. As the harsh economic predicaments continue to hit harder on Nigerians, few textile industries that remain afloat may be forced to fold up if nothing is done to salvage the sector. Funtua Textile Industry is one of the few struggling to withstand the pressures, despite the fact that chances of its survival are minimal considering the realities on the ground. Abdullahi Yamadi visited Funtua Textile Industry recently and has this for Trust TV News.
The textile industries have been battling to survive the difficult business environment occasioned by fuel subsidy removal, high inflation, and the ever-increasing exchange rates in the country. The chances of surviving the epileptic power supply, high cost of raw materials occasioned by uncontrolled inflation and exchange rates, as well as inconsistent government policies, are some of the factors pushing this industry to the brink. The reality is that Funtua Textile Industry has never for one stopped production since its establishment in 1978, pushing hard to leverage its available resources to survive. But like many other industries in Nigeria, it is currently struggling to strike a balance.
The governor now is setting up a stage where the real cotton farming will be back in Kaduna State. We had a meeting about last month with him and some NGOs, and he agreed the government is ready to supply good seed. The Generals should take over the enlightenment of farmers so that they will stop adulterating the seed.
The mill runs a variety of services comprising ginnery, spinning, weaving, and finishing facilities, besides engaging in the production of cotton-blended goods, bed sheets, pillowcases, and polyester, among others. One thing that is unique about Funtua Textile Plant is its capacity of sustaining 1.2 million yards per month, despite insecurity, inadequate funding, and harsh economic realities.
By the end of this year, when the season starts, we're going to start seeing improvement on cotton production in Kaduna State.
Though the industry was known for producing goods for exports to countries like America and other countries, as well as for local consumption, it now relies heavily on local consumers for its products and services. However, in spite of all efforts to strike a balance between where it aimed to be and the current realities, the plant has 650 staff from 3,500 it used to have a few years ago. But the management is reassuring that it neither have a plan to close down nor downsize its workforce, no matter the difficulty. Beyond that, Kaduna residents acknowledged the availability and affordability of textile materials from Funtua Textile, locally known as Funtua, in the market, but not without some challenges.
We buy it from Kano. The quality of material, Funtua Textile materials, yes, the quality is good.
Though at the moment, the textile industry sources its raw materials, especially cotton, from Kaduna, Gombe, and Jigawa states, experts recommend revival of cotton boards in the country to regulate the market and at least to ensure quality control. Abdullahi Yamadi, Trust Television News, Kaduna.